Good morning everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you today Ford Ranger. The interior fan was not working. We've got it working now. See those little bars there, up and down. Okay, so you would go all the way maximum and the fan would not run. Okay, so the first thing we did was we took the cubby out. There's the fan. You see the plug that plugs into the fan is there. There's two wires. You can check if that's getting voltage, and then you can also add feed 12 volt to that fan, positive, negative, and the fan will run if the fan is fine. And then there on top is your fan speed resistor. You can also check that. That's also something that can go wrong. But on this specific vehicle, what actually went wrong was the relay here was the problem. So that is your interior fan relay, and then if we lift the box up, that is your interior fan fuse. Alright, so you'll see there's a cover that fits over here. Just take it off and you can check that fuse right there, the one that's marked right, white there. Okay, and there's your relay. Okay, so if this helped you, please like and subscribe, push the bell button. Thank you very much.